Goodness me. Cuckoo. Okay. Yeah, baba. The entire person cuckoo didn't come on say men siam potem no. Ensio ho akwatwe ama akopie parliament kra say na otiebo DMP a o se men sia kra no na po empeswa so ensio kra ni ho ne ade. Na e person cuckoo didn't come on here actually what the problem is na ya hwe ho asantema radio otia ne na chi eko Cape Coast just say fashion kesia enyagro and then we are told say obedi juma bi o Cape Coast University. I want to believe there will be a lecture and then weekend na just say fashion kesia no omo dia ahihye so ya tonsa friend na you will see Asante on display. Culture at its peak. Now, what Corona just saying, easy cry. Hey, the king is coming.
Of course.
Piniana is the same. Bibi Aboko. Kennedy for Yetimo.
Omani Befa Koya Suna, Edin Chakesha will be Renyame, Edi Nachona will be a Punamona, Usha Sompa TV. Yenswa Yeti Radio no Sompa FM 93.1. Na Nyame Dumnase or the Brenny Chenisia. Na asuen Kennedy digital saline oman biya home appliances enema me free ni ka ifi ye ni gie ifi ya kono emofra ni gie enkoda ni gie empenifo ni gie mrantie mrewa ketesia obia ni gie se orafia sanema no eno na abusu wa Kennedy digital saline ya enye say ebusu keke because they say you realize sane mani nyina abeye part of our daily lifestyle ye kwa ye ba ye refie ye pie no baby obeko bia sane ma we ho abehia ntia bekan ho abeye necessity to the sense say no ebi nkan ho a to da kra hu say abebo na bo no say kwa na say ba ene fe home appliances na oman mesa fa konya wesu na machia obi bia na makache obi a wo hwe TV ni bia se so when you akwanya na say wo hwe Kennedy anopeya misrew telephone numbers ni nyina wo screen so fefefe ne ubetumi afa wo ne Kennedy bedi nkita ho bia ne fa na se ye bia po na to honum se nyame adom Mr Kennedy say ye TV ho adwendwe pa na wo say ache se ama wo hu ne wonye okwa onko obda onna che se mofa ne ha wadwen che se fie nya nika se ye TV dia misrew ka wakoma to yem bia ya tebo no so to the extent say sikaketo na ekura no wadwen se entumi ntono bia ya no Kennedy aso yem sikaketo no se woni wadwen se entumi ntono Mr Kennedy say wonni problem sa sikaketo no Fabra Kennedy digital saline na bi mpa na wanyansesa e dia sa kofi say TV party a ahwe na Kennedy na meka form man obi susu na dwindwi nyina na no pani say ne fridge man problem say wo hu dia wonye obi fridge ya emie oso enso ne problem nya ye fridge o hia fridge fofo Mr Kennedy said woni problem say ye fridge ho adwendwen na no pa ba wo e na wo hu ne wonye ama wo da wo na okwa wo nko wo ba wo ma meserew kamakoma to yem Kennedy digital saline ya the fridges different types aba ya de ede na anika ya tse me kra me kan na me huni amenye se fridges na ede aba no ebo no ya tete so sane be ya obia betumi atobi because ade bia eye necessity bia no e wo se obia nya bi ofie na wo se obia nya bi ofie de adan na wo se ne boy de Mr Kennedy so ne huni o say ye fridge ho adwendwen say ye TV ho adwendwen say ye kettle say ye iron say ye blender say ye deep freezers ahodo say sane ma way say ye stabilizer say ye fan say standing fan say obi kura so ne dia no pen adwendwen nyina ye adwuma wo beye Mr Kennedy say kwakoma to yem if you say ye de Kennedy fufu pound machine aba ya mi wi abechiechie mpa nche adwuma ho adwendwen a kwakoma to yem na fu machines ne bia ba che ye bia pono say wo betomi na wo de ye adwuma sika bebrebe obi na no pen adwendwen nyina say ei me ya ban adwuma ni mi sika ye kura mi ebi yewe enso me hia TV ni bi me hia fridge ni bi me hia kettle ni bi me hia air condition ni bi me hia fufu pound machine ni bi e kwa be na me fa so me serew we are by you my inner son person who temia only problem bia the here say sika for controller and accountants general department for personally pay and Ghana ka Federal Kennedy ahye ho na de bia wo hia bia no ye no be ye hihye ne dinkita ho kakra bi ye de mani nyina be mo akofie se fa ne mani nyina akọ na afede ye ntete ne kakra de wo pese ye nte no e no ne beti se ye sempoa se ye taku anadama eno na beti afi mu what ba wunya problem bia na quality a tune of 5 good years into pen 1 year obenya open 2 years obenya open 3 years obenya open 4 years obenya open 5 good years so obenya na se beto keten fufu mo de machine bi na opa ebo ne da fom no ye sa de friu abadwuma ni se bra ye fa ni nyina ma no tete ne kakra ye de numbers ni tudwa ba bia wo bia no fa number no was sumbie so na frame Mr. Kennedy say ye TV say ye fridge say ye kettle say ye iron say ye blender say ye air condition ho adwendwen na no pe hu de wonya me sra fa telephone number say ye stabilizer say ye ceiling fan say standing fan number na ye di tudwa no fa na Mr. Kennedy kita ho say o man ye numbers no e ye 0244 385 128 0244 385 128. Oman Vodafone no so ye de no so tudwa Vodafone no so ye 020 765 30 31 020 765 30 31. Mr. Wanya kwanya na ho TV na numbers ni sa wo screen so fan fe ni obetimi afa bia no fan ni enikita ho no ma enna ye me pesa me kapa ma ne to Ghana fo nyina dwini pa ne so man sese Mr. Kennedy abio na pona to e create adwuma de matemamufo o man sese o man panini so de hu nyina ne se Ghana ha obi abenya adwuma ye because ye nyina anya adwuma ye nyina betuatua ne ma bia ma o man de timi akonanim. This is why majesty ya wotia na echi o say ne manfo nya e ko bia ye adwuma because o man he say sika ho be here to the sense e wo se bia onimbe wo se sika wo ho o man yeso bia free ba ne ho se sika se obenya age se wo ye adwuma ento man no Mr. Kennedy anope wo say ye create adwuma ye bia adwuma e de matemamufo na man de ya na me de kware se o man ye adwuma ye bia ye no it doesn't require a certificate we here se obenya obodi nkrata bi ansa na wotumi ye adwuma no e no man enso say yes adwuma we dey pe oba adwuma we dey pe bema adwuma we dey pa berewa adwuma we dey pa kokora da bi oman sene wotie biara Kennedy adwuma na wo bie no oman ubetumi aye bi oman da bia me kasa me se me srempani kasa me sada me se manu sisuminas oman obi se me tie me disable mintimi ma na adwuma ne metumi aye bi Mr. Kennedy adwuma na wo dey aba no se wo ye disable kura ntimi nko na wontimi ma o na wo problem wo so problem ubetumi aye bi na mo bi tie obi se na die ba adwuma ne Mr. Kennedy ya bai Mr. Oyasu ne tie me adwuma Mr. Kennedy ye create ye de aba ye se ye de bobo atemamufo asantima Ghana mani wiase manyina eye Kennedy fufu pound machine business Oman ebio eye Kennedy meko machine business Oman ebio eye Kennedy corn meal machine business Oman ebio eye Kennedy popcorn machine business Oman ebio eye Kennedy deep freezers ahodo Oman ebio nim se mamu hayete no Ghana mani asantima ni wiase ma Oman fufu die ese obi apefufu Oman usia me mana ye ko di fufu usia mana ye ko di fufu usia abiro bi kwa de Oman se wose wa ni fufu wose o medie ma dey mabuada me baba ya asare o se kojo ene ma ni fufu ente na media ne ebuada na mebuada me say fufudie no oman obia di fufu oman obia di fufu de Mr. Kennedy say ye de machine ye de wo fufu aba ya eye for commercial purpose ye de ye adwuma baby awo bia na mesrew Kennedy fu bande machine no ye bia pona to mo bibia say baby awo te no say wo de wo akura say wo krom say wo CPC baby awo Ghana man potem bia no me kan form say brabeto Kennedy fufu pound machine bi na empa baby ne fesi e wo area wo potem na mo bia wo say aha fufu machine no ebi wo ha ye de wo fu no man sika wo benyane because obi a wo ne fufu a obi anu an ba ntia otam ya no de ba wo so ho na wo be wo owo ye man na wo sika de so botum obi a wo bia ne ka form so wo new site so wo old site ye de wo chichi kaka na honom no e ho afi ne ho bia ne ka form say brabeto Kennedy fufu pound machine bi o man na fa ye adwuma na sika bebrebe o man de tina mani abra me kasa se o man Ghana ha ne se wo ni adwuma ya wo asem o ye o no bi kwase na fufu pound machine business na sign send ya me srew e kwa be faso obe pretinu ba Kennedy ahwe ye be the most important thing is say o man udi sika be ba Kennedy ahwe na wo be tobi fufu pounding machine bi omanda ko si bebi na yeduma because aye adwuma nipa bebre atia gu so man obie ye bi e say oman sika nipa di wo fufu pounding machine no enye sika ketoa enti me kan formal say we are ba adwuma ni kwa na we an extra income me kan formal tobi ne pesi bebi ne fa ye adwuma na obenye sika bebre be di account de no because ye ma bi wo di cham so man oye provision shop say what talking the fufu pounding machine bi e de si oman ni store nanim no man sika ma me ne gie no enye sika ketoa enti say we are berewa we are ketesia we are kokura we are branch American formal kenda the fufu pounding machine is any business man e depend na etu ogu so ye to bi ne de mane ba bia wo bia no ye delivery services obese ye manu bia me serew ye be manu bia asomdwem kwaso number obe frɛ no e 0244 385 128 oman number ni bia 0244 385 128 oman and a Vodafone no so ye 020 765 3031 oman am say fufu edin kwan na dinti no ye de meko machine so ba oman eno so ya meko je na kikado toast in large quantities enti chobas ahodo restaurant ahodo no me kanfu ni nyina mamo oman eno so ye de Kennedy popcorn machine ye de biaba bia be tobi ne fa ya adwuma se ne bia onya problem oman oba Kennedy ahwe ya ye wadum family plaza be no man first floor abosana frobra enkanfo nyina ye de bia koguo ye de pebi etu akoton no ye de biaba enkan waiter old barrier kokuro bi te junction traffic na se pe we say the pastor Kennedy ho oman patas ye wa dom house Kennedy junction na me sero emo bi fa so kwankwada no atintina the originator of food pounding machine kofare ba wa de ba ye ya papa no ya obenya ba de wo fufu na Kennedy ahwe oman number se ne 0244 385 128 oman na 020 765 3031 Ito man say home appliance wa be tirima company be me akoto e de no e Kennedy digital seller omanya mi shop
oh yes Bob Alpha, Executive Director, Ghana Water Resource Commissioner. We are told Ghana's water production has reduced from 70% to 40% due to galamsey activities. Doctor, good morning. Dr. Alpha, good morning. Sompa FM. Semenka. Okay. Nabacho, what to say?
Oh, I'm doing well by His grace.
Nabacho, to me, catch in the all.
I'm cheating. Yeah.
All right. Never mind. From the statistics given us, it means Ghana, we are in a dire situation. If we don't do something about it, in the next 4 or 5 years, we might not even be having water to our various homes. What could account for this dire situation?
Yeah, thank you very much, and good morning to your listeners.
And our viewers as well.
And your viewers as well. Yes, you are right in your introduction. We are moving towards a situation where Ghana will find itself in a state of crisis as far as water is concerned in terms of supply. We all know what the problem is. Galamsey is the number one, cause of all this. The waters are very polluted, and it becomes difficult to treat water when it is polluted beyond a certain, limit. I believe you all know how turbid the water is in the southwestern system as a result of this illegal gold mining. So you are right. We are all trying to see how best we can stop this so that we don't even get to a point where we are in crisis. So I thank all of you who are part of this fight and trying to highlight this on the agenda for all of us to come on board and make sure we stop, this menace once and for all.
If we say Ghana's water production has reduced from 70% to 40%, in terms of gallons, how much have we lost?
It will be difficult to do the computations now.
Okay.
But what it means is that at least 70% of the population were covered in terms of water supply. Now we cannot produce water to cover the 70% because the water is polluted. Especially, let's situate this within the southwestern system.
Okay.
In some part of the countries, the situation is better. Where we don't have galamsey activities, I think the systems are working well. But in this case, we are talking about areas where the galamsey operations is impacting on water supply. So what it means is that water that was, if you are 100 in a community and we could serve 70, what it means is we are now serving only 40. Only
40?
Yes. The rest will have to find other ways, and this is a basic necessity for life. Everybody must have the right to water. It's it's a right of life. So I think the time has come for all of us to rally together and fight this menace and then save our country.
So out of the 16 regions, which regions are heavily affected?
Yes, of course. It is within the PRA, cutting across Ashanti, all the western regions, central, and to some extent the upper parts of Bono, but not the lower parts. All the way to Cote d'Ivoire. It is not only limited in Ghana because our water flows to Ivory Coast. So all the pollution also affects their country in terms of water supply.
And these areas are the galamsey areas.
The galamsey areas, exactly.
These areas, exactly. These are small-scale mining galamsey areas.
Yes. It's the galamsey areas. And we have small-scale miners who are legally, mining in the right way. Okay.
Okay.
But most of the small-scale miners are illegal, and that is why sometimes it appears like every small-scale mining is causing havoc. It is not all of them, but most of them are illegal, and they are the ones who are causing this havoc for our country.
We are surely in a dire situation, and I am afraid the fight for galamsey is almost being lost, because from the second quarter to the third quarter, it looks like galamsey operations have intensified, and I'm finding it difficult to put a finger on what has accounted for that. And I'm asking myself, could it be because we are in election year, people are also relaxing in their supervision?
Yeah, I think, normally we should not even link these galamsey things to politics. I do not see a linkage at all.
But unfortunately, that is what it has become now.
Yes, unfortunately, but it is not a political issue. It is a national issue.
A human-threatening issue.
A human-threatening issue. There is absolutely no politics in it. And sometimes when we drag the politics into the case, we make it complicated.
And we lose it.
We lose it. And there is nobody in this country who supports galamsey operations. Not any party. However, it has come to be a case of politics. And sometimes that makes it even more difficult to fight against. But of course, the people normally will test the waters and see if there is going to be action. If there is no action, more and more people will join. And that is why it has been increasing from time to time. The impunity of it is now getting even worse.
Yes.
Because they do it in plain, they don't hide any longer.
And especially when authorities are behind. Because
exactly. Well,
unfortunately, these young men do not have the requisite capital to go into this capital-intensive business. So definitely the big men are there, politicians, businessmen, chiefs who have resources go into it at the expense of the entire nation, and nobody seems to be doing anything about it.
Yeah, well, it's difficult.
It's sad. It's sad.
But whatever it is, we all have to resolve and fight it, because it is our own lives. We are not even talking about future. We are talking about the present generation going into crisis. So it is that serious, and I think all of you should come on board. Let's raise whatever awareness we can, and then see how best we can eliminate this entirely.
All right. Dr. Alpha, thanks so much for your time this morning.
You are most welcome.
I appreciate it so much. I appreciate for any penny Dinkomo, Executive Director, Ghana Water Resource Commissioner. The Eco Sono, Ebia, Bu Pipe, Eba, and to Hunu, na Emre Bibedu. Sika, was say a day, F Sonny in so. Say 1 million, and a Sonny in Sio, Gallon, Bakoma, Kobe, or Ha. See, I just saw me the bear 4 million. And San Omenya, gallon or ha. It will only say 4 million now, only 1 million no car, gallon no bed at the 9 on Benya. And Tebeka can ensure you be to tot. Unia be a galam say, or Breusikama would the Wukunu be digala when yanche. O for be digala or the Sika power yanche. Boys, gum, no almost had the golden age there, wait me to land cruiser, gold ayenya. Wako say nsuo akɔhunu nsuo ɔso de kɔtɔ Range Rover dem usia no wo say am boyfriend we de owiska ebeduru ma bi nsuo no so obetimi e de sika ma nsuo anom a ye nyina ebeduru ho we nya nchiri ma asebo eye sisi a se pipe twa na se pipe ne ba ubie nsuo no a Ubetima bucket be a baby, you know, as a miensa. And sana, and Niati. Esan said, pipes now from Nina, when I chine. Ghana water Nisikan or the Akoton new pipes as I yet. Because Sikana or this son in Sionusukrano, a wire thing. In Rome, the son in Sionusuno, say 1 million or some pebble 4 million. Nobody has sonny the same water. Galamsey, politicians, ahemfo, asofo binum Ghana ha. Omanhene Yaw who say tam, they having Galamsey sites. Small scale miners be omu yam yes adwuma no kroje. Obi on my small scale man and so illegal mining oye. And now Babin Cow said, Munja de Mocha na both MPP MPs and NDC MPs, you are into Galamsey. But you are the very same people Amukosi Semra. They speak like angels, but they are demons. Now they don't go Kufado to sour Galamsey, any illegal mining. So one crop for a chain in I war from. If we are saying na sell my garage a question excavator. If we are saying na DCB a church excavator. Now only a bino wo boa bino. Wo kra na o ha no my friend no. And the Vanguard for be about Timamonko. It's a branch and site. Vanguard for be seen so no ade o ma kone na mo ha. O mo ko ya say yak enwumre mo ko adwuma. Be say Yakopon be tua ye nyine ka mako. Say the enwuma tie wo mema. And a Galamsey site, Nansia health report. Na yebe wakwala na so half. yebe wa kwala na ne nsa 1 in billion in million na ye hu say a defect not from galamsey side na mom a defect in baby vitamins and minerals bia ma me na nhwe ne hu ye anhwe ne hu ye enso na de di aduane nyina bi ade ensu omonom na polluted nsia kese wo ma mu nyina dane coffee enye mbilo coffee ofa me mo ache mo akwaba
ya me josu obru
now what to say
ya me tiase
ofa ke UK Ken Charles ne man MPP wo nyina on the doma no aba ye no metimu se obehwe se ne be ya ne party ebetima break 8 and opay ne wo ha honorable Kuyoko Frimpong former DC Suta enso be kan sa and ye hwe akwan aban no etu ho anamon ene dripper aba omampani dada ne flag bearer of MPP Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nyina de omano atumu ka Dr. Baumia say ono na echiseye ema omoye committee omo de baaye omabejo mama say I wona so say cry nyina sika Ghana sika ne de akoye adentina ebeba say MPP ni bi de nimfoni anaso de omampani foni wa kobo ho beba chow Shadrach momo video no ema yentie na afei yes set stage then we'll look at the Galamsey menace causing havoc. Okay, we if chow nye we answer mama me drip no Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the former president Kasano yebeba we so yes thank you sound sound oh
it has nothing to do with parliament. We came up with the idea of critical roads committee. I came up with the idea that we should buy equipment to help every district to construct roads in Ghana. So we were to buy all districts, excavators, rollers, graders, backhoes, tipper trucks, and so on. This was an idea from my committee. It has nothing to do with parliament. We came up with the idea, we funded that. It didn't go to parliament for any approval. So nobody should come and claim that they were responsible for all the equipment that we have sent to every district.
Make us say, Meba, Elfidia, Ya Yesika Yadiato, Yet grader, payloader, Enisa, Elfidia Yadia coin, Ya Ghana, Yeto, and Yadiato, Yadiama, Achiachama district, Bia, Meba, who said Bakujina Kwemu, parliamentary candidate or MPP, or the poster bosso, and Yan Fibia, Ghana for Fibia. And you all know cover by two and normally toy. And it's our machines we are found must say about politics. Yet the by say if the year quine not if be quine ama obey to be a paso. And your parliamentary candidate beyond the by. If you say party flag be bosso and as a candidate poster be a terrible why poster be so.
Okay, I don't see that is that. Yeah, the Australian points say of Abeka. So I share any museo no about Kyoko. Abeka about no go share pound me to join us live on Facebook. You can send your comments there. Boakye akwa baby.
Aja mama nyusu obrubium.
Now pom to saying.
Onyame tiase.
Me ho ye pa. Ye share Ghana. Baby a yakudru a ya nhwe ya nsuo ho bekọ atwe ene ye ne a yesu ne ban a ye de say ye nsuwa ene ye nsu ahodo a ekofa sa ohini na ba ena akwan ye omanmu about road construction ene ho hyehyɛ ya drip no ekobehia ye ba ya penifo mienu nyina de omano atum mame ntie edi kan on the drip
my mamentia wahwefo ne otiefo nyina ane anopai emra mete asem wo nya mesi enka no kra me werɛ ho kakra bare mechia UK fo nso mempanimfo a me no mo yɛ adwuma ene the chapters ni nyina nso executives external branches abatoa ye betoi ye bontoa ye adwuma o ye kan ye ho bom ne ye kan ne se ye nyina ye mfiri amanone ye mra ye mfa ye nimdi a ye nya experience a ye nya any skills a ye nya ye mfa moa ne ye ntikire o my Ghana ya ye over and over and over the years ana enne ba bi a ya ba bedru ne eti asida kese ena me de be gina wa fidie kakra kai so na mada o mu nyina na mada Ghana fo nyina dodo na ye wo Ghana ho adwempa ensuso ase galamsi asem ya o kan ho asem sisi ya papa e kasa ye mira ho me ye mo ahime ya de ye bibia e wo man we mu aye politics ama ene ye ntimi kura mpo move nko yanim and sometimes me blemu obia yenya nipa na ye wo man mu so ye ka ho pa ye di mu akotene pa ye pa na ye wura mahama medika ka se agrodie wo nani so efise yenya omampani a ono esi ni bu pen se ono kra de okokoto basis a wode ma school fo a ye school fo no kra nduru age a ye de eto aba na wode ni photo abon yenya omampani a eduru abato 2020 na ye nyina ye hunu se ampa basis a eye aban basis a ewo enkran abonte so eni kumase abonte so wono atimi sponsor sama sika a enokra krono ekopie mu na nya asem keto a yesi ye free bibi bus branding
this one
yede
we now kan one
sa pepepe school bus ni siwe we eyankwala school esoso ye mampanin John Dramani Mahama ena di ni din e di abon na waye ne ho kotoku sa bobe enenti da bia nia opeso wo kan na oye enne metu yewura Mahama din e wo wafidi kasie yi so yewura Mahama ye attention seeker
how
da bia we try to say we be chinkrofo adwene dia ban so keke very empty no policy direction campaign we aye na eye me de Ghana for the woman di akire yie pa because election abato abako this particular election even the school children are almost 18 this year to do na to on Facebook so search for the policy directions for their future but yewura Mahama ye na dwen say ono de oni bibi papa bia e wonimu enne wo ye very empty yewura Mahama
I don't know, isn't it a harsh word to describe him as empty
in terms of ideas.
Okay, explain it well because some say very former president the word like empty there.
Once I'm see Yewura Mahama me nkasantia Yewura Mahama. Now when somebody is empty, the emptiness in which ye ka ho asem no enye ono na brabo se oye obi a me mfa ne se oye me papa nka me pe manyini de manya 57 menya kola wotimi ngume oye me nua pani me wo fase for manyi simbi enti wo san met my
kana amayosem
ne wo fa
amammo mu nsem na oye empty
now amammo a ye bu se ye se oh my God na nie kafra ye titire wo man na ye hwe o man daache baabi a ye free baabi a ya beduro ani baabi a ye kɔ na ye de ye ho toto amaya asimu dadaada ani wo mo ye ni wo mu nyina na boso ani wo mu so ye sia wo ho a papa ne ye completely empty in terms of policy direction as to how this country has to be governed and how was this develop on my way. Now statement you make is a CA. This is the man who stood on stage ojina simpie so ekasa kire Ghana fo nyina a ode to ono ne na manyofo ekuo na manyoko anim se election ye kono boot to boot na yenkodi atutrasem na niema enko ye na yen create ene asem wo ya wo kan sisi na anu ya video bi wa bonten na ne kamanya eka wo producers emfa meto abonten omu ko gina ni fia nim party mako gina yewura mama fia nim achi kotokuro hama asekan di andan adi gina abonten se omu ne Ghana fo ubika, and he is condoning this, he is backing this. What he has said, and niyama asema wo bie na no a waka say, so obi ko hu say parliamentarian bi e photo ebo saa de mani bi hu a omo nkote entontwene nti sa wo kwa akote ato atwene na ono nso ne supporters so say omo ma wo nte entontwene a ade be nsusuaso ena di betimi abresa oman ya ye ka ho asem oman Ghana akoye oman a ye yankasa menim se ne nyamesi bo yen yesu ane yaban yeda boko say oman se washa every election year NDC for try as much as say ombetimi say they will preach some violence bi na ye dia hunahuna nipa na ya kanipa sedem eti ye hu eti mamu ntimi mpie nkoto aba na no ban saa tete ho no omu didi anyampa ubo se nkofo so mbe pie akoto aba no na omo akadem na hu aba omo na omo ankwa nkoto na omo no nkrofo nyina omo encourage omo so omo nkoto aba ya hu ni bi pen makọ asutifi south and in the north ana branch ye bi ne friend no naba se naba o se ho muti ni se sa ne di ne correct na what you chan nipa wo mo ye
no can say you kum nipa da
yes
Collins down
me call ya na nipa ehun aka adwamu me ko hunu bi miamani ni me kuta pictures are up to that now ja election na ye 2016 election no na ye free 2015 na ye campaign di akọ even limited registration uko sankore ene ne mpotemu na juma sankofo yi di womu ni emma nipa wo nyina tibi kadam na yewura Mahama na ye president. You see your mind baby aye dru sisi ano me ka no kra kire yan Ghana fo baby aye nam ne baby aye ko no eye ideas eye aniswade hunu eye vision eye policy direction. How are you going to say ubetimi abua Ghana ama Ghana atimi afa ne ntoma pa frankomo eno nene me ne kagetiafo ene swami round about for ene wo mu adum ene ne mpotemo asafo eno ne zabuzongo ene abuabo edi sa atutrasam politics na ye no yatwam ewo ho oman yatwam kra yewura baumia mame nanase. Because what the nsesanye bi ni nsatraye bi abagana amanyosemu from 2016 to today 2020 crowd yasan hu no so beautifully well done policy of ideas and na yewura Mahama timi agina waka kire ye se wono no sika jeti adwam dia ya wo ho kwan se ya di ne dini to so se ye ka ya de kanfo no se ono na ye ne communicators nyina ntimi matena enkantre asante man nyina se John Mahama na ye kajetia market eti yanto nwum mfra no te say first na ne bo football na wo bodan goshi kosoro a na emani ginache obi ba Omanhene fa hu nyina to form ye besu jesi ama wo eno de yanto mfama John Mahama yewura Mahama we are happy with that one. We are happy say obetimi akatre Ghana fo nyina say University Hospital ya e won kran na mo si UGs dan bi mi nim di ni
University of Ghana Medical Center
wase eno kra no a university na nkasa foto mu ena saa ne ma nyina dodo free ba ya o ta tire e ma ya wie ye no ya mom nwoma no no mfa no ho to fom ne ansi ni jesi ma no Asante mamu hai se wuyi kajetia eto nkyɛn a kajetia eye sa market wey eto nkyɛn a ene John Mahama yewura Mahama nkɔfo se na nado danko akufo ado nya bibia wa Asante mamu Asante man eno ani kajetia mo nka na mentie yanso so yatimi atiase amomo ama ya relaxe ena omo de to nwom ena omo kagu yasum ena yasum ye common ponse sia na kohwe Mampontan Rose ene me ne ukasa sesi e oman adwuma president kofo hyaase Sofola interchange mifrabu akwa na apia boaten mia menua pani menua pa abu akwa hene asori me bom mu asema me chia wa no pe Sofola interchange yako endi wo kwan anu ha baabi na yesi yantoa so na omo kɔ baabi ani di kosi alubo ni ho ahwan entimi ntwam ntam nkɔ omo kɔ sunwan edi afa wa kosi ho ahwan edi akosrem wo mu ntimi fa ho ntwam ntam no omo nkɔ mfie nwɔtwe ndc fo anfo mu sanka President Akufo-Addo ne Baumia abawie abu akwakwan akaketekete enne makomi krom akohunu abu akwakwan a enne wusimu a first na mikrom abu akwayen yanyine no ye benyinyine no na eya akwansini so 7 miles minim se ne ye kobiem na daso ye 7 miles na I don't know because you can get there as fast as you can enne NDC for say na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo onye bibia ma Asante man ena ya tonyom afre yewura Baumia se wo mo ball no nkosoro na yan sini jesi mana no de wo se tabu enye nya papa ba yewura Baumia ene Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ade krontia ene oman enura amene wo sentrofo bi di nkomo obi ka asumsem bi tirame wo se yo fake time na ye call 2020 election no I'm being very honest with you may call the whole country because you smile and see and cover niema moye satam ni atwitwa photo this time round me kan kratro anya agro yentimi nya photos no kra ntwa ye the drones and the cha niema moye ewo ba bia ye ko bia wo manyimu afanan ni nyina ba bia every district every municipal every constituency towns and villages almost every sector but bia sa kabibia esesen nsa kabi at least national cake Yewura Mahama say my mo free senior high school dini emfa nkasem biem efise tabu because a nipa 5.7 million people efie bia mu NDC 4 members and supporters fie omo parliamentarians fie omo party chairman 4 party executives omo nyina fie anya free senior high school ehun faso ebinum ahwie aboro university mu abronti abropa abromu abronti omo say enye eye 419 yaba yebe make sure say yebe sesam because am faso na ba no do so dodo
Zanom kai.
of course na yewura mama woni ha na omampanin kofo sorry ja akonwa NDC 19 years a wo say wo man yewudi oman say no puto and omudi share Nana Akufo-Nsa 3.4% GDP growth amagana ko shinia wa mobra yadina ko highly indebted nation HEPEC na president Akufo fa dane no kakra ema yenya 8.5% aya hand over at the mind this Yewura Tamils and John Mahama. Ya dane kakra na yetimi enya metro mass transit yenya national health insurance scheme ye passes amrano yewura mahama was a parliamentarian. He walked out wasi anya papa airtime eyefon anya oyo na yenya ya ye disa peace no ye di ho nkomo wo parliament wasa sorry pia bontene ama omo se eya adongo omo se eya adongo na nya oila nyame ye omadom chantro a emu odin ema omo ka se MPP for ya konfo president ko for sisa gold di akose ya gold reserves nyina e di akogwa manone ni fie or the gold association and tromuntro association ne dem ema president ko for frame un central for bie ni fie pono to ho se mumra na momhwe se ye no kra omo di chantro sa na omo de babem ye rata mills so mu free 2009 2010 no yare otimi paja GDP growth no mu e de kokodru 14% in 2010 me bom nsema ma Euro Atamels mi ame bo ama no Ghana for mu am samu so mu hwe me na mu tie mo nka mo mo se ma Euro Atamels 24th July 2012 Euro Atamels dane bunkum so ya emna Euro mama e ko adwuma no pa na oye vice president opia ba fie back na oye sitting president a wo so aframu esai and oba na obaka kire say he has been the luckiest person on earth. Enti mi biso Euro mama question 14% GDP growth no e dia na bae o man sika semo na Euro Atamels atimi atoto ompa amana kodru 14%. Now GDP growth is what you speak about in terms of say obenya sika now dia your security ho adwuma and no na education ebeko yia o transport system ebeko yia roads obeyi o man mu beko yia na say o health sector ebeko yia eye o sika samfapem Euro Atamels apaja e dia gina o kama Yewura Mahama so mu free 14% no 2012 2013 2014 2015 2016 or handed over on the 7th of January 2017 at the Mananado Dankwa Ekufuado the record ni no say mama 3.4% na mo for free 2000 no back fa Masadi wako she IMF safa yade yambago atomuso se mamu mfani pakra wa adwumam eno so me de hye wonsa me de Ghana for atu sumu emfie enan ekonum eno so me de appeal so fa. These are the challenges I am handing over to you, but thankfully uni masemo kaya esese Ghana for bufu no obaba be jiri 14% ni nyina de agu e de aba 3.4% no 2013 the first State of the Nation address and o share Ghana for nyina anim and o kan krechero because unim baby a man share ase no was say sika ni nyina the year election 2012 what the talk has ebi no chotro ho e de ni dimbu bo ho na Don Dramani Mahama timi toka e de Telecel Queens or to talk and cars e de teacher university students na ni photo abobo ho na ni je ho satam na ni je ho pa na ye normal na ye correct and na obi akofa japade e de abafie wo 2012 na we ni nyina say sika no tugu ye atoto V8 e de chiche ya wo di V8 che obi a woni sika ese se wo san fuel abona kon homa wo batimi di ato petrol gum the service time so a ese so otimi ye den esan ye e na o ka kire Ghana for say me machine na mu ni nyina amana kadompe nko na mko ye adwuma o ma me fon sia na mpani fon to aso
me da wase pa na
ye wura mahama se papa
me sa ba won chen abotre ma me ba won chen bi na Telecel for ewofia na mame ma honorable Okiokun Akwaba na me Telecel for nto honorable Akwaba
ya me de
me da obadi asese obe kan sa se de be ya manfo be hu se nyese MPP for gina ha no omu all fire gum NDC
Ade Akye
no sia pen na sada mo ba na books na so na so wasa di books na saba
ala baba bi ni bi ko ba be slabo hello we ban cho
denti ana me yana san se me me ka bibia ya
anymore okay
wo se wo kan san bibiri
bibi se ba cho be ban cho be ba on chen ma kwaku say do kwaku na to say
nyame adom man
bibi aboko
nyame adom
okay is executive head Telecel Ashanti and Brahafo na busumi small and medium enterprise omo busumi SMEs month na just mo amoye adwuma a enye industries akese but ebia mo hia sika bi no mo de ahye mo adwuma mu no ade no na ma ye enye boju but obi o small medium enterprise wakona nim kakra ebia wo be small industry kitu abi ne mo na Telecel for se busumi we wo mo no eba mo ba na mpacho why this month small and medium enterprise man why
okay you
entra
Omanhene me da asibium mechiaw no mechia wetiefo omo muti oni omo show no this month of September Telecel you say SME month SME month na ye kano ade bia ye taye in fact ya to us for the past 7 years
okay
every year bia ye September see ho to focus on the SME ecosystem na butai kese attach ne ye say ye boa businesses ama oma grow oma connect with their customers enti ye ade a ye dia ba say SME for no ye ba bebo mo so wo hwa omo boa yen economic nepa ye but bibiri wo ho a sebe omo wo ahochiri mu omo hiamoa ha enti as a business ye yi this month see o say ye pese de boa omo
okay na Dimbe na mudi atoso so the be ya obi tia obetimu ye the theme and the focus
okay all right this month no and this year SME month no ya to ni connecting businesses connecting the woman in business
the woman in
so
business. The center now is for the woman
exactly
yes
but the metro say a woman say theme no is about the woman but only
the men are not cut off.
Absolutely not.
Very good.
Absolutely
but as a man you say I feel we person mo share and man so no so peja okay enti I feel we dear ben I am share anymore so me particular because you are initiating certain key things
right
dear ben niema na sa SME month I am share anymore
okay you Omanhene me da say bibia event bia no ye wo anidaso hu anidaso hunu bia epese ye de tudwa enti no afi ye wo key initiatives bia ye de atudwa ye de beboa businesses mpacho so be ma mo kwan a briefly and I'll just touch on it enti we ye busumi ye be daddy me boboso but ye key initiative busumi ye be daddy nti pacho ma me touch on it first one no your friend no launch of Red Loyalty Business no the woman say businesses bia when it Telecel adwuma no every transaction bia wo pesa wo ye no ye bema wo points betimi ama wo wini packages and say support bebre every ho na ye wo Telecel women in business package ye initiative purely focus on the woman business and ye what the woman in business webinar and no ye nkitahudie bia ye bedi wo abefo so ye started first one ya to need the empire she built enti no ye nya resource person delay or no never started the first in the series of the webinar.
Okay.
And now you were connecting hustles. It ties into question and now Busano. Say your man kwana you focus your man. This particular initiative no targeted at young entrepreneurs.
Okay.
Young mebuna o maba.
Be it a woman or a man.
Absolutely.
You are involved.
Young mebuna o maba o mo person
no abien ensan wa juma
peja. Bibi wo ho abusu mi mu no ye beboa no. And now you women 100 networking events into the 100 influential women beba together.
Okay.
Na networking, connecting, na senior up and coming for no. You get opportunity to speak to people who have been there and done it. And now your association bundle into a cool for also bit me about together. Near momo tailor-made packages are a bebo business.
Yes. So that's very positive. Now eba say ya say me will be business na me de me home be shema. What are the benefits? Because at the end of the day, I should get something.
Of course.
One of my very good initiatives, but
of course.
I was I have to do a cost-benefit analysis to conclude. Say, there we are, SMEs, tell us, oh yeah, no, I will come out with a certain kind of benefit.
No credit. And fasudi a obenyano de ebibre me bobo bi so kakra emre nti yes say odo ho be share this period of your event your SME month in more your offers be to say 50% cashback on merchant fees. On say your merchant system na no so we payment there's a fee, but what we are saying is that for this month if you are part of us, you have 50% discounts. So the idea is that whatever savings you will make out of the 50% night demand, you can reinvest back into your business.
Okay.
And free advertisement. So we have a lot of media partners. So you can get the opportunity whereby as a business, we will take care of your advertisement for you.
Okay.
Which is very, very important.
Very important.
And your postpaid customers, corporate clients.
Okay.
So for this month, a lot of them will be eligible for paying only 50% of their monthly bills.
Okay, now if I say be a month be out here,
yes,
2,000
exactly
for
as a
your
business,
as a business,
internet, phones, and all.
And all the Hushima at the end of the month now, it's cut half.
No credit. And
what save we almost about 1,000.
It's true. And I can say. Nkunkua omunyamba Telecel so as a business client no they can come and join and we can give them free devices for their business
for their businesses. Okay, now pacho we busumi no so aye wi ana also bu on maka SME month at September ends and that's it.
There be Omanhene on say G SME D yenim say statistically no they contribute about 70% of our national GDP. Mm-hmm. They contribute to about 92% of all the businesses in the private space. Mm-hmm. And the ecosystem is very, very important for economic growth, job creation. Mm-hmm. And idea after September, you the initiatives and then more ama SME senior omube grow, thereby also growing the economy and also creating jobs.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, Musawi, is it say every SME na eligible and I say you a quine be a me faswa bet me a participate.
Okay. Obia we SME a register Ghana no obetimi do ho abeshim. You need specific industry and I say be a also and also and our this specific industry there be obia betimi do ho abeshim. Now ope say we part of this Telecel SME manta. First of all obetimi akwa website that's www.telecel.com.gh/business.
That's it.
/business. And I say ubetimi emailing at business@telecel.com.gh. business@telecel.com.gh. And I say ubetimi afray a number 030 233 4040
4040.
Yeah, 030 233 4040.
Bacho, heba for count.
Obia ka ho. Obia kao.
All right.
Obia kao.
Na it's launch near that bay.
Me pacho ya start ya no.
Start
launch no. Ya start no Monday no. Until no subsequent be rolling out the various initiatives.
Okay, until as and when the day goes by, no, not more rolling on. Okay, so you go to their site. Pacho for site to
me pacho
www.telecel.com.gh/business.
Yes.
And you're good to go.
You're good to go.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
Same to you, bro.
And stay blessed. Telecel. No, I just will say.
Connecting energy.
That's right. Energy need here. All right. Honorable Kyoko. Memo Kwaba. Na enkomodie na kojina drip ene akwan ye ene omampani John Dramani Mahama enkomodie ode tudwa ne Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Meslo say na oni antimomo video no na the Dr. Mahmoud Baumia kan ne the omampani John Mahama kan no wontie ne ye said the be a ememna well informed na what me aya intino. Please let's have the video first. The vice president Eka Kwaya Faswa on the drip by.
I came up with the idea that we should buy equipment to help every district to construct roads in Ghana. So we were to buy all districts excavators, rollers, graders, backhoes, tipper trucks, and so on. This was an idea from my committee. It has nothing to do with Parliament. We came up with the idea, we funded that. It didn't go to Parliament for any approval. So nobody should come and claim that they were responsible for all the equipment that we have sent to every district.
Make us say, Meba, Elfidia, Ya Yesika Yabiato. Ye grader, payloader, any sa Elfidia Yadia coin. Ya Ghana, Yato, and Yadiato. Yadiama, Achama district, Dissibia. Meba, who said Bakujina Kwemu. Parliamentary candidate or MPP, ordinary poster bosso. And yan Elfidia, Ghana for Fidi. And you all know cover by. Two and Omodator toy. And it's our machines, we are found must say about politics. Yet the by say, if be year quine, not if be a quine, ama obey to be a passo. And your parliamentary candidate beyond the by. As you say, party flag be bosso, and as a candidate poster be a Tarawa, why poster be so.
Okay, honorable.
Yeah,
you have the floor.
Oh, Omanhene me fasa akwanya yesu na machia atiefo ene ahwefo meka Sompa atiefo ne ahwefo.
That's right.
Na say na me na moamanfo so mo hu ma hache. Am so say nhihye bia ya regional communication officer ntina ma as ahamaye no mental man tentem second. Omanhene, yes, advocacy no aya me no say ya to aba mfie nwotwe na ya fie mfie nwotwe na ebe enipa nwotwe ewu omampani aya oye commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces wonye ho hwe bisine na no last week and court to be wo wenchi.
That's right.
Say my judgment.
Yeah.
Say to no aye course no infringement on the human rights of the people and as a nipa aye to no bomb no.
That's right.
Until say I buy Emma or mum patasika
45,000
yes,
to compensate those who were hurt.
25 na say we no patasika near 25 na or say a cow boy amode a far lawyer at the back court no so to nature say no na be 45 and no ye o mo prepare you no mo
a mo wundi e ho obi amfa nko
ya enye ho hwe o mo ye
o mo prepare no
we chiri bibi say advocacy na ya me ye no chire say e say e hwe ho asem ne ka e na judge no sa ka say ehia pa say o mampani e ye nhwehwe mu wan fan so ha wo se dipa o mu di sa adwuma no e say e prosecute ye nhwehwe mu ne prosecute.
That's right.
Nature say sa ansem America no e ya sim hia fi say anya ne sa abato ya ko tui insusanso se betimi asasi enipa ho ya ne soma wo mo kro mo ye dipa bai say soldier for say police for say o me national security for ye mpe ho asem ka o mampani ye de gya no asem kese afei Omanhene wabo video no mienu amahwe na sane ayi UK chairman MPP ba bi odi ko fa bebrebe nyina no so obi etise me ba ha na manka ho asem a ena nkoyi but me di kaya ka we ho asem ka kra bi ansan masan ko UK MPP chairman no say mama ye empty say dey ko duro kra me mente but mamenka we hu asem kakra bi Omanhene Ghana ye democracy ye nye o ne ye ase no mampani da JJ Rollins ena wo ye mampani kane membe ye ni dis o mampon say ye dey abai no maba na ye dey baby bi wo district na wo so wo ye PC me ma ye PC e wo me district ho me kan suta for good times na wo se me na me ye DC me say PC parliamentary candidate for NDC nti abai no ma me de me posters ene ye dey akoko jeje oyi wanyi wadi anka de bekasa se JJ Rollins wanyi wadi anka de bekasa nti no ma bi wo hanka na me mfi se bi anka UK chairman de obeka ne se oh se de ya na bre bi wo ha me ye na se me particular ye na mfi se bi a enkoyi a se me ntimi mo ma chikura me support na de esasi ye busa ne se sa de na omo ye no eya na se enye nye se bi obi a ya okote poster na free ho no kra na esi ebusa no kra nye obi a ya obi di poster no akwakobo abai ajapade anasa de ya obi anim sabai dia so mampani abedi echire Mahmoud Bamia oka no o se abai sika na ye to enye ni sika di waka na se ye dia abai sika koto bibia eye party dia Omanhene bibusa eye party dia bibusa wo party dia se nye party dia dia adenti na esi ye di party poster kobo eno ni asem adi kan se bisa chairman eno ni asem adi kan se bisa you invite me aha me nya invite obe eno ni asem wa ye adi kan se bisa atiefo ni ahwefo nyina me se eno ni asem adi kan se bisa se eye efata se oman sika odi akoto ade na afa wudi party poster ene mo yi bana no mo de ade abobo ho enye fe me see JJ Rollins no ye soja ni o ene ene de adwuma but eno ma se na na ni nyo na we yakaka bin se wo so kire se na ye disi ni obeyi wa disi sia enti ye de no ho no ni esuro ye ho pa abe makasem bi wo happen me see me dai kura ya me plot kura me to na tasman so JJ huhu ntimi ensi e ma plot do free me say because udi agura obeko so ati asie enti entwe ye in the first place say omode omo poster ne banner kobobo se che so mpacha se Ghana ya modia MPP for Ghana ya modia sa na mpese mo kire no mampani kwa bia mefa so ma win elections no bia ma win nti sa kwa we say yeah but mon kan hu say power eye to me ent na woda bia ene wo power wo koto ma ade a wo de sa so no bi be wo be ye nti so ye we say na wo ji se no kwa wo be fa so aya wo de moa ye nhwe bibi me de me sa na me kan no but me sa ba ho bio na wo ka se o mampani dada eye empty de kra ne ko duro wampo so ye empty no hwe onipa na ni nimdie me de nchempe na sam no ni nimdie no emu odu na ofri family ya omo nimdie a omo vision family pa ya ofri mu omo vision omo nimdie omo vision susu se ni nua na Ibrahim mama ni nua pa no na omo vision susu wotwe bibi obeka so obebi a ono onye nketigiti o hwe energy sector oka so obe solve problem yes he solved the problem but that problem no hold for a long time na de ye o munti na brebi o se enye fe say yes say onu ro dis dum so buy problem no hold that but wo boy nyankopon nam na dum na humo bros oka se me solve problem na and he solved the problem or the Mary plant 1 and 2 Kapa 1 and 2 or the buy so o person solve no permanently ni nyamiabo solve Mary na nyamiabo ama ye power ye gina wa ha obi o ye empty no hwe Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund so ni year ya establish
GIIF
yes we ni year establish 2015
yeah
o mampani da mama na establish sa fund no eno na aboa ende amampuntudwuma atimi aba ya afeso so utimi hu se ba bia ya ko bia ena sa fund no kura mpo no And now Mampania, you to see projects like a CA fund no day. Fund no and day. Now so empty. As in bank, wouldn't be you establish them bank. Yes, 2016 March. O Mampani that mama na established to make us say oh no na need to do no nyanke tigiti o. Eh kase obi o wonim die. Obi a yes so we Mampani ti dia no bi no so mbe experiment ya na me say me ya brand new hwan agro na widi. Car that bi wo ho a me wo de FJ Cruiser second hand mamia. Now the Tico brand new mamia me 5 FJ Cruiser second hand. Because FJ Cruiser no e ho ntichima. It is a brand new Tico, me found your Swat yasi. And you know, your brand new me a tear robber, we a tear robber Tico, would know young Cone FJ Cruiser, brand new, second hand. Now, Walker BB, say, what brandy bus no brandy, and you don't want in phone or the bar, president in phone, but me no, make a seven in a yagon. Sankawan Koyakran will be a young Wasamaka. Swat yasi. Affair was see, so for lie. You buy 80 and you no press. I said, what is will be a casasam? I can't say your true for your decay. And you mean papa. Will be a becasa ye buy and no tin or Mampani mills the car said. A gang of 8, so gang of 5. What is all casasam now? Let's so for lie interchange the count. Gang of 5. So, Tetequachi, Eco see, Adenta, side projects and a name. Your friends a circle to equal so in swim quanoso. So neka hubi na no cast a gang of 5 nisovu like count. Ye buy it not no Mampanida da mama sorry. Kufo no raise the pillars. But not interchange na car fast no nyanya. Satam na filling stations me no kura no. So na interchange na ka better the filling stations at me you. Enti no kura. Ye buy no de etimi ye interchange no wie. It was so free, so for like or see, Apartapa Junction. You re interchange, from so for like to Apartapa Junction.
And I'm free about
and you're free by you. Swat yes, and to some banamo to us. Now about 80 months and you create. They also be what see NHIS, they call Parliament, no. Parliament, I am Omampani da mama, or more Ewoko, and you create. They also be what see, Omunya oil. Near see, I can't want to say what Parliament do na or no Mampani da mama, no, sorry. And no father, and tell them to me, but I made the book about. No, my human, no, my casa. But what casa, what can send be a any day anymore? They also be what share and put you mamma cabes and yunupe, ya Mampani da mama, or ya. Or you be a ya nim dear a casicasi. Tema port expansion. And ya non qua to gas. Share investment one of the biggest investment. Yeah. Energy sector, no. I say now almost on baby. You see, I will be best you for better study with your prego. But the come by 8 years in it. Senyan and say, no, so moko, your Morocco, Bibia. Investment, mama, energy sector. It's on par. Will be a ya or empty no. Sanity. Yet also be Terminal 3. Yeah, you know. But yeah, it's one of the best in Africa. And what's Africa there? Terminal B and airport be anywhere. Yeah, airport because of Terminal 3. And then I make us just a nimidia no nimidia. Yeah, well, yeah, dear to her. Oh, I had to send you a school. Me uncle Bako, or a professor of OMCDA. BBB bio genetical engineering. Because you know. Tete kwa shiro na pa some time ago na me baby wo tuka na me ko jan and was here upa power be pa na so boaba onu mo ye obenfu because me try as be tunu mantimi sana baby obi wo ha hu se de ni nim die eni na ni suade hu a etiti a na wo di omu ama no hwe omampani mama die nipa ka fa no hu bebre no a ye nti fansa kwan bi so wo die ni mguase nipa to abachi ano no enne nipa bebre hu se enye sa na ti Omo aswansuo, omo aswansa. Na omo ahudie mu do. Nti aba ya beto yi. MPP fo omo nyina yi. Na ensam keka bebrebe no, omo hwe no omo nyai. Enti bi de drip no asem no de make kan say. Enye emfata so obi di betare ene obi kura ye de akwakote.
Now is it right say be ka say de tare amonko ware en create.
O mine. I don't know me kan no. samaka me say enye first obi be kasa odi tare ena enye first so obi ye dey but say obi amfa ankotare a obi nwai so obi amfa ankotare a obi nwai
that's right
so ati ase nti say ye pese ye ka bibi kire obi dia de odi kotare no ena ye nka kire ne de woko waye si ye pese maka kire obi say ye tu obi fo a afutuo no enko de odi tare no chairman na nya de woko ware no ena ye nka kire no si ye pese ye sikire no ka kire mampani ana na be de kire dia ne ye nsuro wo mo dia na say media mi hunu no say em say omampani ni na be de kire no mo ho omo anima sem ka no e ga na fo din eti ne yaduru de yaduru say nsuo yes ba ya ye be ka nyina no e ka ho bi
okay
so ati ase
you are home mama happy birthday to Becky of Ofuase Kokoben from your brother in Shraba Justice and ne eyewa woda Lucia Kosia so ensonwa St. Martin's Catholic Hospital Mansua Gresham Ukunu Nanamafo praise Adoma Jan Mr. Kofi Jan Woboyo Sotoyo I on the boss okay ni banye okay and ne bi sika Gertrude Opoku of Spirit Life Community Church Getty happy birthday to you wow sorry ba New Life Sanctuary and a staff of JK Ajiman and Sons Company Limited. King K, CEO of King K Media Consulta from Boakye of Sompa TV to you. Eric Asonade of Usu, National Tescom Coordinator. And Eric, Special Assistant to the General Secretary of New Patriotic Party, Justin from Ponkodia. Your brothers are wishing you, Eric. We wish you all the best. Vera Bene, CEO of Bene Beauty Paula. Kosia Sumaso Motrinkwa. Afei Apostle Selassie Ade of Apostolic Empowerment Ministries from Omanhene Yaw of Adom. Apostle Selassie, Minio Kuma Kwabra Sante so Motrinkwa. Okay. Abonon kuno. Mamimra mabedwafo champion. Na ene Dr. Mensa ofia. Enti mi din komo kakra ne wie na mi gya omo kwan a doctor betrase na one wo akọ sasa na edi wachi no onu mu nka no oba no onunum nu bone no ene yade ahodo nyina no oduru kotwi nese okatwi no na enkoyi a na watra kọ akaka brofo edu na doctor saw yade ese de opese onyame no oko Dr. Mensa so ye beba ne nche bia ma membra won che openi na yenko yanim definitely 7 minutes and watch on my time no me wadwuma bi so di wa ha the next 7 minutes to discuss the oko 10 na me ho be kire me okay my head okay my 10 minutes on so 10 minutes I would have 10 minutes
also am 8 me 10
about 9:02
yes I know
exactly 9:12 ube di bibia to mami cheo
oh say we use the word empty and you debate you on pa and sana he move flow I still stand by it because obia oye full of ideas tisenia of ekin ontimi me kantre Ghana fo hwe Ghana fo nim se obema wo mu mpre konketenketeni nkokonketenkete wow party mana na no mo hia wonim kan se o party no enkramufo na do so wo mu from tete abepimende enkramufo so wo mo mfo mo sakran so prekum ndise wotimi ko gina saa nipa no na nim na wadwene ye so wi afiri wo ba bia wo gina na wo se wo hwe ye nkramufo nim agina wa ka kire se wo de wo policy direction wo de ba na obi anko tap into it na obema wo mu empre konketenkete a me meka kire so we empty in that direction in terms of policy direction. That's number 1. Yewra Mahama ne gina simpie so no ka kire ye nyina se e ba bedura bato se ya utwan kontompo mu odere kakra na wotwa enokra ne ketuwa bi kakra ye de frafra ni a wokoduru a wobeduru wo na wo hwe nipa no magina wo na nimu a wo be ka man wato mo asom no na wo masom ayo mo de no na waka it me question kura na nke ese me de hye ase ne se yewura mama na sem na wo ka se okohu se photo bi tare ade no kura eye no kura because we have not seen any evidence e kire se me invite you
esi wa asesrewa ena man tokwasi because now parliamentary candidate or potem hono na nimfoni bo ho na de ntokwa ba ema eno de that is an isolated case. If you or be unfair, be more.
Yan sa point of view. Okay, you see, for him to even because on one witness you what the see was as your horse.
And also there, so say yes, say.
That was what here. Was all baron was all baron obe hu ye. And hu ye. Tinim sa se wa de no. Na san fidie no cross me nyi se de agu kwan ho. Ah yewura mama etwam ese so ko hu na okɔhwɛ. Enti wo boni tim na wo de akasa keke yewura mama e boni tim me ono ne be kan o nyame na me ka so otwa ntro ono amagana fo ate se ono de wo ye trofo kas de necessity ne bo se ono ye do ye beto aba se ya o se da plane ntro obetwa na wo de ya in campaign yewura mahama ye empty because yewura baumia e preach ade bi ade nsachira ye beba o man we mu about credit scoring system. Yewura mahama so otimi ahye Ghana fo nyina anim se ne manifesto mu otimi dia hyem se ne 24 hour na binum si pudon ye ba be ye nkura no e binum se ye ba be sisi airport bebre okuje to ablakwa on code ofosi kwa ate se ye ba be ma wo ton wo acha nyina atimi aye aduma fra no pa ekopoma nwumre ne anadwo ene ahomache no Yewura mahama sa confirm so ono de oba wo be ma night clubs are 24 hours or you completely empty and I want apologize for that because baby Ghana drew ni wiase drew ye kono this fourth industrial revolution
which is
economy a wiase nyina move into artificial intelligence technological advancement age. Now the prekon kitenkete any watching kitenkete any night club kitenkete any din komo I will tell you completely you are empty mama me hwa de wa yewura ba umia say so ba ade bi wa abrochire opese yenso ye practicing and oman ade we mesre Ghana for so obia for na ni atiri em na wo hwa ase na wo kan wo se ye ba ye be mamu nyina motimi anya ekwanya mo betimi anya mo mobile phone a Mubatimi say wo good credit record ampe what system no mu a ye betumi a subscribe to one kasa wo be call ebia MTN and as it whatever it is now okodru ho no mu a instead of so betam sika puduo now wo dia akoto phone no a and na me no kasa oman ya ma ya wo mo enkwalai ma ba wa wo ma ba ya vulnerable e wo phone so ho because of say o pesika akoto pro something ni bi onibi amane emrantiem a wo anyinyiri mpanimfo atia sese du atom wagu emkwalai so because onya sika nkotofo na ohia nti esese sebe wode ne ho twaso wansa ne atofo ama no yewura ba umiase se wo ye obi a wo ye nurse wo ye obi a wo ye doctor wo ye obi a wo ye teacher wo titwem edwam etonwade ene ye pese ye de credit scoring eba abrochire sa na etina no me to was here me car me use abrochire me turn just almost 2 years here car ne bo nyina was 30,000 pounds me tua kakra bi na to ase because of say me credit a year enti ye ma me 5 years say me fan tua no every month bi an kakra enti you ba umia use phone no 1 CD 2 CD 1 CD 2 CD na NDC for me of aka ho enti me bon ho dawro say ba umia so oba be ton phone no oba ton 1 CD 2 CD o mo antia sem na say they did not hear that and now obi to fie e wa abrochire komu ha ya ma me no ma wodwam and now o mo tie mi adwadi a wo mu die se wo kofa banche krampo a na okọ na ode ne sika no a ode ikọ so twa free ne phone so e wo ne momo so a register say okoto banche busumi we oto banche to aso a busumi ni nyina koduru ye no sika o spend ya ode kofa ne niema na ebi ya 5,000 Ghana cedis ya ba ya sa ba be hwe na expenditure o spend ya free sika na eye ni income no mu no sorry eno na expenditure but ne mfaso a wonya free adwadie na okofa abante 5,000 ni mu no ne sika no kodru 10,000 ya hwe bosome miensa saa ade ni nyina eda so ho na expenses nyina ye kwotiti firi mu a da bia wotimi nya bia be 1000 Ghana cedis a eye ne mfa so e de to ho it is a wotimi nya saa system ni in place na e check ampa ye traceable a de wo hia number 1 as a see yetimi hu say wo address ampa ye nim ba bia ote na wotimi susu nya identity card a trace ampa nipa somasi wono ni
ene Ghana card
address ni sa GPS address system na ye biaba e Ghana ha no eye digital address system enya just normal te say na ye come me chrome that time ye nyina ye ebu akwa AB45 ye mama me fie na ahwe ya de bidie na atro gu kwa na no enya no bia so and no sa address system no connected to that financial institution, you know, e ma obenya Ghana card as idea then oba baby afa bank wo because no obi akra na betimi akobie bank accounts eti ya now what transfer na na baba so easy for us to get the data on our phones ya adwadi so san yema miensa we enne se ukuta na se yewra baumia asema wo ka no se etimi de ani di atene nyina to aba ne yi ampa na eba o ma we mu ampa enne Omanhene wo atɔ a game changer and no na be transform Ghana because obia ni ho a sa dollars na enne a good dem bebrebe ya asikafo a wo mo apre wo mo jani aye adwuma obia pese o save se ampa obetimi anya sika na ampa na enko bank enti dollar no se kosoro na me a good dem no eno anya adwuma bia but enyini dollar na enne ma mi bi ton banche onyesika kakra no asesa bi no odi akogu ni mpaase se eno abanyini yen Ghana fo na ye bom paye se Ghana dollar no enyini. That is what we are doing almost across board me nkaso obi akọ US ka akoto ne dem nipa eye adwuma omo pri omo mojani even young politicians so both NDC MPP whatever businesses that they are doing look dollar na why dey o ma we no ni nyina for them say it doesn't go to bank, it doesn't circulate in the banking system. Ghana na ne ho akire ni bebrebe no ejira sa niam we so ba umia say let us sort this problem out because the moment you do that people will put the money in the bank and it becomes a revolving door. It will be a scan go round go through the system. Now credit system, how is it going to work?
2 minutes.
First, you establish the credit scoring system. It has become an agency that is checking Tisania data ubia dia wo ye bia no information ni nyina phone for de wo de beko banks for de wo de beko etia your credit anyama watoto anyhow awutua no ni nyina beko data center ho eti now nipa be the 4 bodies ene ba be sia ne de ahwa de me pesa me toka of ampata wo se wo mu ye den
Dr. Mensa eton ka because we beton duro me boa eti me kopa Dr. Mensa duro na ye car ni bi na ato eti me call Dr. Mensa ho se me kwa akoto car Dr. Mensa ebeba wo ho Omanhene ho as agency because me details are me provided the amanu nyina ono betena se no scrutinize me no wa hwe se me madwadie kra ho commodity sen we obi abetima tua me obi abetima na wodi no kra e den no me information na bekwa akoma no me di address bekwa akoma no me di me ID card bekwa akoma no me di me banking system so reference say bank statement details. Or you go through the momo kra na what kuma kwaji details no ama expenditure ne ade no aba eti me call na me di akoma no wono assess me first onu ntimi hu say the American ye no kre so obaba Omanhene ho as an agent now we agency no now ababa give some information no about me no because I know secret information, it doesn't go out, it does not display anywhere. Okay, now we need to communicate, so you send it to him. What the man we no check we assessment ni nyina wie na hu say me okay ah after the aka final part. Now we want somebody me ato ampa because mesika na ye de ema me no da bia e ka bia be 1000 Ghana bi wa chirenti bosomi na maba beto ade na me to no de mo se mintua ene se mintua e bia 200 enti se me 400 na da tria da bia mo hwe no back to 3 months no me nko into that enti ampa e still for within amoma de my means enti then now we was send me information no e de akoma offer of a dinner saying Akye Abia ono na ye bank eti ukọ ho a
na ono of a so verify and when we say wo dia ba na check and no correct na wa fa sika no na o dia kotua
ka no
ka wura no eka o tua ka no ama no nti wo fa ka na wo ton no enya ade aye be ba be free o
ena enya de all time sika kese
ana o fa sika kese bia so nkoto
be mo bank no betete no
bank no betete ne nkakran se ye fie na opese wo to a ene nipa aye adwuma midwives aye adwuma pre omomodiani a ayu ko anka se ko munya 2 bedroom 1 bedroom house na nka omunye omomade omuti atum because se so okotam sika na odi ko tua kanti wanti mi anya da odi awuko
be da say
Mr. Woman Mr.
be da say ba time no nti
mami 1 minute pena me
ba cho 15 minutes anya 15 minutes ba ye nyina ye dia ba me so eh sa no a bibi why what is the time ni be ma me mo
1 minute
honorable ko wa so mra what am matter
Ghana for Ghana
for honorable maminti
ko bio anko ka se ogina so mampani dada empty a kamen san ko kokura anko
me mre na ma
ye dia ma ko na wasem nsa because ne meka you
be complete ya onya asasem ne kan anasa MPP fo onya asasem ne kan because onu kura na ADS kura ya wode ba kura mo ya se mu wia ebi ni se oso oba obetwa obeyi yi levy afiro se bosumo ba yi levy mu be yi afiro ebi se o se betting tax obeyi afiro afi de bosumo be yi afiro PWD fo a ya oso oba mu ma ko school free no ya o muntu ya hwe no se bosumo de ahia mo manifesto na anya bia
manifesto ne ba first obi dia ko je ni
yeah 2020 ne we manifesto mo 2020 ne we manifesto and na me kire won
oh really and your mama kronya we
we are very much away na
and what mama mama
nkete enum ni ade ya all kano obi ani ho aya o ye portrait o kofa nkutu akese ebi nti ase wo ye portrait enkukuto nkete
na wo su preko die na ade
preko o meka preko so preko no aya
wo fa ke mi so yamre
members ni nyina
so comfortable with preko die
oh me very comfortable me very comfortable and I mean you dey nyam ofa no go dey menu ya no me kwa ha beje wo kwa age no che
unu ya
right emprako no and this for nyina na Muslims enti yen ya e pese ye emprako no so my emprako kintigiti a ye be ye
okay
so ati ase na obi ani ho a wo ye emprako a okofa emprako akese yokoso no kro obeka wo enti this emprako kitwa na okofa no engukwa nketwa no so omo ne ye de omo he ase enti so oka na obi nti ase a ye kyere no mu so ahun se engukwa nketwa no e de omo he ase enti wo apeso wo ye ne aboa wo na wa penkotwa engukwa nketwa na de omo he ase enti oka we ye onka abone emprako no so nketwa na ye de omo he ase oka onka abone
na night club ne
yeah meba so you free UK na buy UK omo economy about 20-25% economy no anadwo na omo ye adwuma enti so obi see me person me this side we see e ba Ghana on carbon tio Omanhene me ebrefo maka jo say me wo shop bi wo adum na ne A life can A life TZ ho na opposite me share with there can yes every communication center na me share some years ago adumumpo na A life upon after 10 baby e duru bonya brekora bi okora be 12 no dey ho nti saa time na wo ya adwuma no na me susu me call center na ya adwuma and what am ye kan wo say enabling environment how dey beba me cause Zimbabwe why kwara me nko shia on so no ka the same thing MPP krofo yi bi akra me ne nko shia oh me kan ne dia me kan ya na oto be so ye ko me ko sorry Morocco na Rabat yeah onya MPP ni adinkra POFM me ko ye oto me so Rabat anaju be say age na me kokoto no cardigan pull over the ice soldier for the ebisa no aha se wo pe bi kura wonya me hu bi wo be nti bi ko hia na sa ade die kama pa na me nkwara abrem na me ka say me papa bi ye please ni na obi nti me hia bi wo ha ya me ma no nko na me ko to obi na be dru hotel ho se pe na bo be 9 na me ko hia Zimbabwe bi ya ono so conference me ne ko no say wow wonya cardigan ya na say pull over what you my call wonya no he and I'm so me ko to no Rabat market ho no say sabre you know I'm saying any ebusa almost into sabre ye kwa ye benya bi lo and behold about 10 o'clock akobo 11 ye koye no mo bibi sa bibi na ye ka o se mo ntia sia eni ye si adwuma bia ya wo pese oye na se wo pese oye na nadwo na se uhia bambo ye de bemba uhia cheap electricity ye de bemba se ne be ya adwuma be ko so ma ye nkwada na nya adwuma ye nkwada na ye adwuma mo ho mo baye na unemployment rate 8 point something and na adru 14 nkwada e padwuma omunya ye adwene ye nkwada hu ne ye de saade we ye se aba o ka digitalization o mampani ma manti na meka say me se ni nimidie na ni suade hu ene na dwene mu aya edonti na me adma no because of free family wo vision na kesi te se ni nua Ibrahim mama ono na ye father of digitalization e wo Ghana no be some saade ntia wono no build Accra digitalization center.
Accra Digital Center.
Yeah, sorry. Accra Digital Center.
That's right.
And yet digitalization, but Accra
Digital Center.
Next year, say this one who no say yes. As I say, Accra Digital. Until we build it. Until you say a boy be better than there. Usnya preko. Ono no share see. E dey say no more we nyina buy. Na ni suadi hunu no so. Ono buy na Dr. Baumia no mayo. But no build the center there man. Na say na ubara be ba ko e friend saying mobile phone interoperability one no me there. Yeah, say answer no oba. Eti no wono de kura na sem kura de nsa se yeka because wono de ye de wo de ama ho. Na de enya de wo se wo ye development unya na kura stia mu. Na mom de ye de ene wo na ye driver. Enti wono kura no onyina ye hu de wo so. Wo ye driver na wo ye mate. Because so na driver there. Development there and there's a policy bi wo ha. E government policy nya wo de. E so mampani na nado e na gi credit ne man ho. Na nya wo a. Wono ne the only vice president a buy policy bia was one or they buy 44. Now office the Ghana for a day next for. Mimi kwa brako ko ka me say 44 policies. Yeah, government dia ba. Wo vice president na dey buy ya. Mimi nya day next. Nti me nya dey ya me be di. So ati ase. Na ya di bibia kwa na say me kwa me ni we. Wo kura honorable. Na me di bibia kwa wie no. We nyina chinua ya de ma mo no wa yere hu na mo so o ma mu mu na ye dey no. At present no say unimu a chairman Ghana ya yo man sansani o in Africa ye no man ya you see ya bobusi ntimi ntua obia the only two countries in Africa ya mo bobusi am so mo ntimi ntua nti say ye Ghana ye company Ghana o ma we company anke go bankrupt and the company ki close okay mo ntimi hwe company ni ye mo pe ba bi ntina what you say enti mo pe ba bi ntina ne say mo mfiri ho ba we mfiri ho na buy for
okay yeah Daniel Wabasisi a ne Dr. Mensa adi komato aso bo ma me ye komra
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53 Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Bet. Blast. Exclusively on Betway. Win up to 300% more when you play Fly X with Win Boost from Betway. Betway, get way more.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me nanu me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofosi kedwane ni wenye otedi di musano.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti. Akwentu aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say aye to anase visiting so. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo ampeso motu kwan koye adwumanso. Obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, anase South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a crime of Kumasi as a labor runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more Humacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
I know you.
Na Kenyan Magic drinking water, alkaline water. Na usha senye ene yensase ene yensuwa seyi. Na ne ukonom ordinary water cry pipe. Na no yade de mawo. Or how ni amani eba. Kidneys ene liver problems be braye nya bidrona yensu ayenom. And notice a Kenyan and magic drinking water badia. Me come for myself who shame. You see calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, ashemuma. Also numbio a bow a antioxidant, a ye fee through nipedium, Emma, or blood cells, the body cells, no, and soon debia you're hydrated. Say a bass acidic content will more. Obo di diana ne bo eye ne chew na hard burns no e be free mo e my body in wrinkle esaso boa hard liver kidney diabetes ne pressure no awononum enema bi no se wonom kanjina e regularizing our system no e man correct temperature. Breman UGC Tafuni Road as Abawa Route to Johnson 0241 44 9191 0241 449191 and one to drink come up. Doc Akwaba. Now what to say? Bibi aboko. Yadoba they say. Johnson so what to say? Yadoba they say. Yenti wano pay.
Yo, Omanhene me das. You do ya wada fufu si na me ba beto ha na me ni age. We beto said there was no politician mu si di mu jima na me ni age pa.
Yeah, fire.
Mo fire kama. Fire kama enti yenso ye beto say ya na ye ni age. Omanhene da bia ya me ka sa asem si say empenifo nsem o mo keka say edu de onum to na edini gina akire pon so na ase twero no ano no so aka sa mebuo we mu odu pa wo se nipa hwe ni yi na fe ye di so ye follow ye wo yale ahodo bebrebe yale na ye ka ho asem no ye ntimi mu bodin ma akoma ye ka se ye bodin po ebre bebro ebe fa ye na so yale bebrebe na ye ka ho asem no hwan ni obi a otimi hwe bi yale bi wo no mo ade ba doctor mensa so ya mechiro se da bi we de fa ko doctor so mesi ho we de mintimi nya ho adwuma eno na ma me de na unique no e na de bi wo ade ba meka chiro se sa de we fa ko ha we de timi ya ho adwuma pa de mintimi no meka chiro se fa ko so na de metimi de wo ba na meka chiro se sa de we se nkosi brese na ho ato wa agimidi sa na tie solid chinye bia ni ho mesramo mu amohwe ne amotati Dr. Mensa ana ma hotedin Dr. Mensa no ye nya kana chichifo ye kasa obi ye kana chichi ni a obi asa won kana kure papa asa o de nipa sa na no nsem no asa mente sa sahaba we na mede sa yale we na sebe wa ajatewia wa ba Dr. Mensa so na yale ha ono ebi ye baba so na ha wo baba so no ka enim lante de bebre na enim baba so infection ana say obi a wonya Nigeria gonokosi ana syphilis ana say
baba so
enemu yale bi baba so me ka chira say baba so de me ma bi abe se na otwe mensa so wa wale afa yere ka ho ana wo ku na afa ne ka ho mi titimo 3 weeks mo na bi o mu hu na jimidi because minimum particular haban a me de be kan ne de me de combination say de mesi aye na me de mawa baba so be ko eja tell you what get me point there me ba na politician no obi kan de o mutimi hwo ade bi wo obi timi hwo a na wo bo ho mode wo mu na se wo kan ho asem a ehunu na no ade a obi timi ye no sebe o kobru ni kuro mu na wo sa ade atade firi ase akobru ni kuro mu se o ko de ko pe de
uni ye chen
bru ni they make what you say me ka say ye ko me ko Dubai na Omanhene me land cruiser me de bo life wa no mo de ye taxi o
tiawa kra
enti me hwe din am say
no Tesla cry a taxi
me dwene ho ana me ntia say na ye ko ba bia o safari ba bia o de desert so wo mo de land cruiser ne nam so di agro wo so say de o mo penam hey kaya me de bo life wa no wo mo di agro baby
na okohu we see this compressor be 520 nomne ade a taxi a wo be dwiri
Omanhene me say enti ya na me hu dwiri me say enti sa na bibidrom na tie obi wo no na aye ne nwanwa na yale we pa enti Dr. Mensa so obetimi asa na aye ne nwanwa se me dia haban kan na ho to wa ho na abun se enye nwanwa biu hwe haban nyame na ebo nyame na bo ni nyina nyanya manfo hai the way by kwatema no ne haban hodo bebrebe mintimi mobodi ai ajatawi ebia odwuma ayedi that's all the can nipa na ho to na ye ne nwanwa ene akwa eme so woni ana wotumi no yade anyame ahead ya to ho so woni combination na ye ne sa pepe pa bonse na nipa na ho ato no na o de ji udin eno na ma ye to obi ka so obi ye prof wo ye hwehwemu na se yale na nipa no wachi ne ho an wunya na duro de kana na ho to na wo ho ayehu eno nti na ma me ho yehu no emrante ni hwe mi din was the broni asemu de me de be ye jungle the amount Dr. Wonder obi e frame Dr. Wonder obi a Dr. Nwanwafo
yes
Wonder bebre na anti the tree na se o e doctor ni a me hu ohun na se kire no tie enti yale bi ti se prostate ha obi jana na ya hemorrhoid ni moja se pam ne kokko bu na pie ɛna ɔmo agrako ma ɛha wɔ ɔmo abrewa bi ana mɛka na asɛ wɔ fun ɔsɛ doctor kan na mehunu awurade ɛna de mani na tu agu so ayɛ protein mehwɛ wie mu a mehunu hwee ayɛ strata na msɛ awoledi wo kae sɛ kane na mo de babadua ɛna sɛ dua jam obi ani na mo twa so ɛde so nani na nani ne so wate wɔ sɛ ani o mesi me de no an de bɛhwɛ wɔ pani ampa na maame no nani no ana ayɛ protein no sɛ 2 years sɛ me yɛ ɛno ano nani ne so wada hɔ kan ɛna obi nya 40 years Omanhene na nani ono anani de ne nsapre na beti se unya nko ya me de mi di kan wonto wo kan babra yi so pagya ne wiem yesi ya atwe ne kon sa Dr. Mensa beti mi ama woduro wani no a aye protein no ebejai na wade wo ho o mai obi bie nanum wa ha sesi a ni si edwane enum kan ya le fon me se ma obi asoso so da wonum bon a o mai wo ba kwara wo no wo ba o ukunu eno wo yere eno na wabusu ya ni nso no wa asole ba mpe wase be
mu kan kwa wasade yewo
wasade be di watem
o fafre mi so
wonum kan o ma won say ale fon fa entimi wona duro saa we na mese wuntimi mama so ye kora na ba bia wo bia na ebetimi di bia brew on na delivery service no delivery free ya de brew de awuntu asika foforo bia o ba de wo de answer duro na de brew na o send hu sika ba na de brew bebre na o say Dr. Mensa o yi papa because woni wo bia etimi send this edro sika brew a chekura don hiri mienu na yansa kan edro ana me say yes ana mtie enti mesra mo manso numu no bone wa no mo a o ya pro wa sei san ko fo we mu so ye wo mo a de boa wo mo na nti atwam kura de obi wo no mo ana na bra bo na Telecel wo bo bra na ohuna no wo ton ayento wonya sika so ana hye da bia me kan me so obi timi ko je concession oya adwuma no galam se adwuma na oye o wono anka ne dia no na ne nkwala a omo oya adwuma no bi eye gya no tumi edi wachi na ma okwan se yeye me wodura edi dwale na dwale ayi wo ho sasabo no nyina wade wo ho umpe we na apentokwa Dr. Mensa na ayesa hihye we nyina de ato ho na boa boa nkofo no hwe Omanhene me wo fa asefo mienu bi betra me nche me wi ama wi me nkase di ana me bo mi nua na ba ma na yese wonya de ba bi ko se kwa me wo fa asefo wo mo ye nkwala abo na pa wo mo ha me yede dodo ena o se sai na mo metra me nche kakra Omanhene na wo twe ba akope o mo kwatra na nche no asama mi nua na ka che me na bra pa na se nkwala o ma prokra ena ntina wo ka na simple sa no hwe me ka samo a ho wa hwa abeka se yedi agro me sisa said will be a chia ma wonye yi me wodro ho bra be dwale bi asem we ye tie wo dwale bi a obi bi a wo ye be yi me kan asem yi agro e saa na maka no ye de number na etu dwa se bi a wo bi a twere ye number no me number wo wokora ye wo japade hweniye da no na adu moje etu oba obi amfre me mama ankyere na duro keke ne moja na etu no breed na o breed ni nyina na gya ade echi na mte fare bra be kire na fe yemo ano ba bia na omo wontiru we na ye kire na duro endi ya number de eye japade twere on saka e be bo pi
said the Dr. Mensa kan me sew Omanhene kan esi form ono what said Dr. Mensa se twere number na ebo na obenya fa twere number no gu Omanhene kan ho
Emba choda bi
so an hweye na Omanhene nya wo de a ene wa asem ene ma kan so no man doctor number ni 0244 92 12 69 0244 92 12 69 yo 027 11 73 551 027 11 73 551 your last number is 0532 92 80 95
Omanhene wo kotwi ye ni Guinness de puru ne di nhani mo we said na wo kana wo ba otra hene makoko be na oduru brofo yi atwam wo brofo kasa de wo kana he Chambrofo ye du bra kotwi
na be ka otwi
kire Dr. Mensa na ento ye bo afa twi enya de ma wo e na wo kon kana pumpuni manta mu nso a ye wo Medina junction ye wura kana de Japan o ma na FM abro
TV ho na ase ho na
ye wo ma ye wie da sene ye be say ye ho adi wa ha na wo mo nyame pe wo maboa wo mo no
obeko Dr. Mensa let me say happy birthday to my sweet sister Priscilla Nana Danswa Hansen of Patase. Priscilla Nana Danswa Hansen, your sister Boahima is saying a happy birthday to you, Priscilla Nana Danswa Hansen. Enjoy the day to the max. And Doris Boama, oh yeah, student at Kesman University. Doris Boama, Uncle Ben, Fox FM, Swama Trinkwa, Uncle Ben, Fox FM, Doris Boama, happy birthday to you. Sam Radio, the man who sits and the whole world is seated and waiting, relaxing to hear from him. His name is Fancy Di Maria, a back foreign sports, local sports, sitting to organize, sitting and then monitoring, sitting and soliciting, sitting. Before being Kawana, Fancy Di Maria, a full-time sports or Sompa and Tenassi. Now, one in a big